You don't need to be a genius to think like one. Most people believe that genius is some rare gift, a magical talent you're either born with or you're not. But the truth is far more empowering. Genius isn't about being special. It's about using a method, one that anyone can learn. Let me explain. Great thinkers don't always invent new things from scratch. What they do is combine old ideas in powerful, unexpected ways. Steve Jobs didn't invent the touchscreen, the phone, or the internet. He simply brought them together to create something revolutionary. The iPhone. Shakespeare. He borrowed plots from old stories, then transformed them into timeless masterpieces. Even Einstein built his theory of relativity by stacking and reworking existing physics. So, how do you actually think like a genius? Here's the system: idea stacking. And it works in 3 steps. Step 1. Absorb relentlessly. Read, watch, listen. Fill your mind with as many ideas, facts, and perspectives as possible. The more raw material you gather, the more potential you have to make brilliant connections. But there's a catch. You can't just absorb passively. You have to create. Even if it's messy. Even if it's small. Because consuming without creating is like collecting ingredients but never cooking the meal. Step 2. Write down every idea that sparks your interest. It doesn't matter if it's a marketing tactic, a line from a movie, or a random science fact. Capture it all. Your brain forgets, but paper remembers. Every note you take becomes a building block. Step 3. Find unexpected connections. Ask yourself, what happens if I mix this with that? How can I apply this idea to that problem? That's where innovation is born. James Dyson didn't just make another vacuum. He borrowed the design of an industrial cyclone and reimagined home cleaning forever. That's the power of recombination. Because creativity and genius isn't about pure originality. It's about recombining the right parts in the right way. And the best part? You don't have to wait for inspiration to strike. Just keep stacking ideas and look for the overlap. Let's say, for example, you want to record a podcast. Where do most people do it? In a studio. Now think about where people usually go to feel inspired. Outside, in nature. What if you recorded your podcast in a forest, among ruins? Suddenly, the ordinary becomes unforgettable. The point is, you don't need talent. You need a system. That's how you think like a genius. Even if you don't feel smart, just follow the method and let your mind surprise you.